Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll tell you how the price of crude has moved in the last 2 days and how the price of crude can move in the next 2 days. See, if you look at the chart of crude, what we have seen, it is trying to move upside. Okay, and we have seen a swing has formed at this particular level, already made a high of around $79.51. Okay, and this low has come in the month of September, made a low of around $76.08. Okay, and this is the strong support. So after that only we have seen this swing. The swing is trying to move upside. Okay, and if you look at from the month of around June, second week, we have seen it made a high, and from there it is continuously in the downside. Okay, and one more important thing is that we have seen two patterns forming. Okay, when the prices was coming down, first pattern was this, second pattern was this. Okay, when this pattern break this particular zone, this is where we have seen it made a high. Okay, and moved upside, made a high of around 97.45. okay, and from there we have seen another swing and it is continuously moving down. Now what we trading at around 79.34. Before we move ahead, if you have any doubt, mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com and one more mail ID in the description. Please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a Telegram link also I have given in the description. You can join that too. Okay, now look at this particular trend, and we have seen a swing has formed. So we can see it can go further upside and can touch a level of around $79.44. Okay, and if that level goes further high, then we can see it can go towards a level of 80.29. okay, and once the price goes above 80.29, then we can see it can go further upside and can touch a level of $82. okay, and from there we can see it can go further upside and can touch a level of around $83. okay, once if it goes above 82, we can see it can touch a level of $83, because, and these all 82 is a weak resistance, so probability is high we can see a level of 83. okay, and once the price goes above 83, then we can see it can go further upside and can touch a level of around $89. okay, before that we can see that 87.98 is also a strong resistance, so probability is high we can see a little bounce back at this level. okay, but the support, as I've already mentioned you, that 85.68 is a support, which if it crosses one side and stays above this level, the probability of touching 89 to 90 is very high. okay, so you have to keep this in mind. If the price sustain this particular level, we can see it can go further upside, but if the price not going upside, and there is a high chances that it can bounce back from this level also. okay, so suppose if the price goes up a level of 87, then we can see a level of 89, and from there we can see it can go further upside towards a level of 90. and once the price goes above 90, then there is a higher probability that we can see it can go towards a level of $93.92, which is again a resistance, which is already a weak resistance, so probability is high we can see it can go towards a level of 95.03, and from there we can see it can move further upside, because there is a high probability that we can see it can go further upside if the price goes above a level of $90. okay, and if the price goes above 90, I'll make another video explaining where it can move. But now the market is uncertain, as you know. okay, and it is moving quite in a descending order. So once the price, so market is moving in a descending order downside. Suppose if the price didn't sustain this particular level, so probabilities will be very high that we can see it can move further low, because this level has not come since Jan of 2022. okay, so suppose if the price didn't sustain this level, then we can see it can come down again to a support of $77.30. okay, and if the price goes below that level, then there is a higher probability of going towards a level of 76.23. okay, and this is the support. From there we have seen it has moved upside and bounced back. So if it goes below this particular level, then there is a higher probability we can see it can move further low and can touch a level of around $74.31. okay, and if that level also goes further down, then we can see it can touch a level of $73. okay, and once the price fall below this particular level, then we can see it can touch a level of $70.68, and from there we can see it can move further low and can touch a level of around $68.12. okay, and once the price fall below this particular level, then we can see it can touch a level of around $67, and from there we can see it can move further low and can touch a level of around $64. Okay, and if the price fall below 64, I'll make another video explaining where it can move. So you have to understand something, that if you are trading, you have to be very careful, because most of the people lose money in trading. There are a lot of reasons why we lose money. Okay, first important thing, what you should keep your SL and a daily limit risk for that particular trade, so that you should not wipe out your capital. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail ID in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe it.